The key to getting homeschooling for free is by taking advantage of the resources around you. The most obvious obstacle in beginning to homeschool your child is the need to create your own homeschooling curriculum. You may opt to purchase your own books to go over possible material, hire a professional to assist you in the creation of this curriculum, or better yet, go online and find a suitable free homeschooling curriculum. Online homeschooling support sites actually have various options for homeschooling curriculum for you to choose from. Because these are all online, you are not likely to spend on transportation, professional fees, or even purchase books you may not want to use in your curriculum. Carrying on with a homeschooling program does not have to be expensive either. If you prefer buying books, you can contact local book dealers. Dealers of book sets have various discounts for homeschooling parents. The benefits of getting your own book sets include the convenience of having these books in the comfort of your home. The costs of purchasing the books will be well worth it when your younger children can make use of these same books when they reach the same educational level. Otherwise, you can opt to take advantage of something closer to home, your local library. Your library will likely carry a huge amount of books that you can borrow when you need them. Your regular school field trips can easily be replaced with the fraction of the cost. You can opt to see sites within the proximity of your home. Your city and your state may offer you a rich array of cultural and historical sites to visit. You can also opt to tie in education with whatever family trips and vacations you'd be making. Taking a trip to Texas? Build a lesson around the family trip so that you can use this time, and the money you spend, in homeschooling your child as well. With some careful thought and innovativeness, you can easily make homeschooling free, both financially and effort-wise. Don't be afraid to ask around and look for ideas online from other homeschooling parents. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.